Welcome to session 9 of statistics learning. This is Alban Antony Pereira here. In this particular session, we are going to learn the meaning of median. We are going to solve 4 particular problems on topic median, and the questions will be based on the raw data and discrete data provided. Let's start this learning together. We'll now first understand what is median. When given values are arranged either in ascending order or descending order, the middlemost observed value of the given data is called as median. Median is denoted as ME or capital M. So first, what does median say? The given numbers or the given values in the question should be arranged in either ascending order or descending order. This is the first step. After arranging those, you have to find the middlemost observed value, or you have to find the middlemost number out of those ascending or descending order arranged numbers. Then that middlemost number is known as median, and that is denoted as ME or M. This is the meaning of median. Let's start with the problem number 1 of 4 questions in this session. Reading the question. Wages of 5 workers are rupees 7,000, rupees 9,500, rupees 8,500, rupees 12,500, rupees 10,500. Calculate the median. First, what you should do is arrange the given data in ascending order. Okay, so let me repeat, arrange the given data in ascending order. When you arrange it, it becomes the wages 7,000. Next one will be 8,500. Next one will be 9,500. Next 10,500, and last is 12,500. Now you have arranged this in ascending order. Okay, so this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth and fifth. Okay, so here n will be 5. Why n will be 5? Because you have to just count the numbers given, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N will be equal to 5. Now here, when we say median, median means the middlemost number. Okay, so this is the raw data given here in the question. So middlemost number will be 9,500. So 9,500 will be called as median. Median equal to 9,500. Median can also be denoted as ME or capital M. We have found the answer for problem number 1. Second problem is somewhat similar like first problem itself, whereas slight difference is let's make use of a small formula here and solve this particular problem. Reading the question, find the median of the following data 7, 19, 12, 22, 16, 4 and 13. What is our first step? First step is to arrange this in ascending order. After arranging this in ascending order, the numbers are 4, 7, 12, 13, 16, 19 and 22. Write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here n is equal to 7. So total number of counts is equal to 7. So here when n is 7 or when n is equal to odd number, let's make use of a formula called as ME is equal to n plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Let me repeat. When the n is a odd number, here in case 7 is a odd number, then apply this particular formula to find out the median number. N plus 1 divided by tooth observation. So let's see how it works. So here median is equal to n is 7, 7 plus 1 divided by tooth observation. That is equal to 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is equal to fourth observation. fourth observation or fourth value. Which is the fourth value? 13. 13 is the fourth value. So median is equal to 13. We have solved this problem second. This is the third problem, and third problem is once again a simple problem, but the difference here is, in case of second problem, the n was odd number and here n is even number, 25, 55, 5, 45, 15 and 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6 here in this particular question. So when the n or the number of counts is even, slight changes happens in the formula and its solution while finding median. Whereas in case of n being an odd number, n plus 1 divided by 2 will be applicable and no further steps will be there. Whereas here n plus 1 divided by 2 itself will be the formula, whereas there will be another step which we have to make use of, and then we get the answer of median. So let's start the solution for this particular question. So let's first arrange this in ascending order. After arranging these in ascending order, the numbers are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As I said, n is equal to 6 and 6 is a even number. So let's make use of the same formula first. N plus 1 divided by 2th observation. So the answer what we get here is 6 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 3.5th observation. The answer 3.5 is in between the third observation and the fourth observation. That is, split the 3.5th observation into two parts and we can write it as third observation plus 0.5th observation can be written as 0.5 into fourth observation minus third observation. Note this method and it will be easy to solve. Third observation value is 25 plus 0.5 into fourth observation value is 35 minus third observation value is 25. Further simplifying, 25 plus 0.5 into 35 minus 25 is equal to 10, and the final answer would be 25 plus 0.5 into 10 is equal to 5. Answer is 30. Median answer is equal to 30. Problem number 4. Find the median of the following data. Marks are given and number of students details are given. Number of students are nothing but frequency. In this particular question, you are supposed to also find out the cumulative frequency and solve the question. Let's start the median solution. Marks. Marks should be written in ascending order. So we'll start 5. Next one is 15. Next one is 25. Next one is 35. The next one is 45 and 55. Write the corresponding frequencies relating to the marks. So 5 it is 10, in front of 15 it is 20, in front of 25 it is 30, in front of 35 it is 50, and for 45 it is 40, for 55 it is 30. Now you are supposed to find out the cumulative frequency. Start adding. The first frequency will be 10 itself. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 plus 30 is equal to 60. 60 plus 50 is equal to 110. 110 plus 40 is equal to 150. 150 plus 30 is equal to 180. So cumulative frequency column is also filled. Find the summation f or n. 10 plus 20 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 50 110, 110 plus 40 150, 150 plus 30 is 180. So this is matching, right? So the total cumulative frequency and the sigma f is one and the same. Definitely the answer should be one and the same. Now write the formula. N plus 1 divided by tooth observation. Okay, so now it is equal to n is 180, 180 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 181 divided by 2, and answer is 90.5th observation. Follow the steps as it is, whatever I am explaining. 90.5th observation. 90.5th observation is between 90th observation and 91st observation. Correct, right? So 90.5th observation is between 90th observation and 91st observation. So split this 90.5th observation into 90th observation plus 0.5 into 91st observation minus 90th observation. Clear? So first find out the 90th observation value. So your 90th observation value should be after the 60th observation. That means it should be the 35 marks holder should be the 90th observation value. So the answer will be 35 for 90th observation, and 91st observation, definitely once again it is 35 itself, because after 60, between 61 to 110 is coming in the marks of 35. So it is 91st observation value also will be 35 itself. So 90th observation answer is 35 plus 0.5 into 35 minus 35, right? 35 minus 35. So finally the answer will be 35 plus 0.5 into 0, that is 0, 35. So median is equal to 35. We have completed solving all the 4 questions. Thank you so much for attending session 9 of statistics. In session 10 we will learn relating to the same topic, that is median, but we will learn few problems relating to how to solve the problems when class intervals are given along with the frequency. Also we will learn when there is missing frequencies given in the question, how to solve those. These advanced questions will be discussed and their solution will be worked out in the session 10. Have a nice time.